Vulcan, the eco-friendly anti-scale system. Made in Germany.
Vulcan is an eco-friendly water treatment system that prevents limescale deposits and rust in piping systems and equipment. Vulcan also gently reduces existing limescale deposits in old pipes and appliances. The eco-friendly Vulcan Impulse technology works without salt, without chemicals, and without magnetism, and thus protects the environment. The eco-friendly Vulcan Anti-Scale System is installed at the Aqua Center in Basse, Goulain, France. There is a large 25-meter sports pool and a 15-meter learning pool. There is a pool of 160 square meters with benches, alcoves, massage jets, waterfall, and geysers. This includes one play lagoon of 85 square meters with water games. The Vulcan S25 is installed for eco-friendly water treatment of the Aqua Center. More Vulcan references, studies, and test reports you can see on our website, cuwtvulcan.com. Contact your local Vulcan distributor to get a Vulcan test unit for your application.